This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. First time on the market. Immaculately maintained and designed to withstand the elements for peace of mind. Fortified with impact windows, metal roof and low maintenance grounds, perfectly suited for worry-free long-distance ownership. World-class fishing and diving nearby and well-marked no bridges, ocean access from here. Lovely screened outdoor living areas situated to catch the prevailing breezes upstairs and shaded entertaining areas downstairs overlooking the canal. Truly a move-in ready scenario for stress-free transition into your new home. For more information, review the details below.